Hello viewers, this is Aravinder Anne Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video, we have to see Amul wins trademark case in Federal Court of Canada. For more information, we shall move to inside the video. I kindly request to all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. Amul wins trademark case in Federal Court of Canada. The court held that the defendant, a company by the name Amul Canada, infringed the exclusive trademark and the copyright of the brand name Amul, owned by Indian companies, and awarded damages of $15,000 in favor of Amul. The federal court at Ontario, Canada, permanently barred a company, Amul Canada, from infringing trademark and copyrights of the plaintiffs, Gaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited and Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, owners of the trademark Amul, India's largest food brand. Justice Alan S. Diner held that the defendants infringed the exclusive trademark and copyright of the plaintiffs and awarded damages of $10,000 for trademark, $5,000 for copyright infringements, aside for lump sum legal cost on a solicitor and a client basis of $17,733. Justice Diner ordered the defendants to transfer to the plaintiffs within 30 days of judgment ownership and all rights, access, administration, and control for and over the LinkedIn pages, domain names, and other social media pages controlled by the defendants displaying the plaintiff's trademark or copyright. He observed that the defendants directed public attention to their business in such a way as to cause confusion in Canada at the time they commenced between their business and the goods and business of the plaintiffs. The plaintiffs approached the federal court alleging breaches of trademark and copyright in Canada through Amul Canada's LinkedIn website, advertising their product using their brand image, name, and corporate information. They claimed that the trademark Amul is the world's largest vegetarian cheese brand and a voucher milk brand and a well-known trademark in India. They claimed to have been selling, advertising, and distributing Amul trademarked goods in Canada since 2010, and Gaira was the registered trademark owner of the Canadian trademark registration for Amul since June 30th, 2020, in association with the goods milk products. Gaira also owned trademarks design having the expressions Amul, the taste of India, and Amul pasteurized butter, utterly butterly delicious. The plaintiffs stated that these trademarks and associated products were well known in Canada, India, and throughout the world. They stated that trademarks were distinctively known in Canada for identifying their brand and associating the marks with their high quality products. They have acquired goodwill starting in India and then through the years around the world. The plaintiffs allege that there is also goodwill in Canada, at least amongst Canadians of Indian origin, the court stated. The plaintiffs attempted to have the defendants cease and desist in advertising, marketing, offering for sale, selling, and providing goods identical to the plaintiffs' goods in Canada with the trademarks and trade names Amul and Amul Canada Limited through LinkedIn. The defendants are not only using the exact marks and designs belonging to the plaintiffs, but they are claiming to be the plaintiffs through copying the information available on the Amul websites regarding the plaintiff's background and activities. The plaintiff stated they had never licensed or provided consent to the defendant or its employees to use the trademarks in any manner. The plaintiffs served relevant materials on the defendants and their employees to elicit their response, albeit unsuccessfully. They then moved an ex parte motion for default judgment. Considering the material to support the breaches alleged, the court deducted that the defendant's conduct exceeded the usual case of confusion caused by slight alterations of the mark, similar description of copyrights, material, or modification of a design. Rather, they are using, without any color of right, an exact duplicate of the plaintiff's mark and an exact copy of the copyrighted material, the judge noted. The court opined that one consequence of using the Amul designed and coined name is that the defendants have confused certain individuals, job seekers, distributors, and or corporations who viewed their social media pages. The court therefore granted relief to the plaintiffs, ruling that the defendants have infringed the copyright of the plaintiffs contrary to Section 27 of the Copyright Act and the trademark rights of the plaintiffs contrary to Sections 19 and 20 subsection 1A of the Trademark Act. Hello viewers, from this video you may know Amul wins trademark case in Federal Court of Canada. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. Moreover, I kindly request to all the viewers to subscribe this Aravindar Anna Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video in full. Once again, thank you very much.